Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Let's Start Learn. You are watching my spoken English practice series. In my last video, I said that I read book The Power of Your Subconscious Mind and then I will summarize it. So today I was read first chapter, The Treasure House Within You of this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Before dive in this video, please subscribe my channel Let's Start Learn and share this video with your friends who are learning English and who want to improve spoken English. So let's start. As I told you that today I read 3 to 4 pages of this book. So in the starting, the author core idea and authors according to author, the core idea of this chapter and of this book, that is treasure house within us. Treasure house, it means khajana, that treasure house within us, but we and peoples look outside it for this. Everyone looks outside for everything, for happiness, for wealth, for health, but all the treasure house inside us. He tells us that our mind has two parts, conscious mind and subconscious mind. So conscious mind is a thinking and reasoning mind, and subconscious mind works every time whenever we are not aware of it. So subconscious mind is deeper mind that works for ourselves every time without taking break. Author says that subconscious mind is our treasure house because subconscious mind have power of health, power of wealth, power of happiness, power of joy, power of relations, ideas, thoughts, and everything. Author says that subconscious mind is equal to treasure house. Whatever you want in your life, it comes from our subconscious mind, and subconscious mind works for us for everything whatever we want to achieve. And subconscious mind works based on power of repeated thoughts. Repeated thoughts goes inside in our subconscious mind. Suppose we repeatedly think about positively, like I can do this, I can everything, I achieve want to whatever I want to achieve, success it's certain for me. And another way, in negative, we repeatedly say that I can't do this, I fail every time. So subconscious mind accept it as it is, like that conscious mind think it. So whatever we think repeatedly, subconscious mind accept it. It does not argue, or it does not think that this thought is right or wrong. It accept thoughts as it is. It whatever it may be, whether it is positive or whether it is negative, it accept it and work for us accordingly. If we think positive, then subconscious mind work in positive way, and if we think negative, then subconscious mind work in negative way. And one most important thing is imagination and visualization. If we imagine and visualize things and thoughts in a very clearly, then subconscious mind accept it as it is. Whenever we want to happiness and we want to health, wealth, whatever it may be, but if we imagine it and visualize with feelings, then subconscious mind accept it as a true and it works accordingly. So for any achievement, we visualize things clearly, then it will be beneficial and results will come automatically. From this video, my personal learning is I learned that whatever I want to achieve, all these things inside me, not outside. So from this from today's reading, I learned the most important thing, that is I achieve everything whatever I want. So thank you so much.